everyone, Chef Annie here. Welcome back to another Texas Tuesday Farm Fresh demo. In today's recipe, we're going to be featuring our farm fresh Texas celery and our apple and Texas celery's pasta salad. In your curbside meal pickup, you should have received a container with the following: our cooked penne pasta that's been chilled down, diced Texas celery, and diced apples. You also should have received a container of our house-made creamy Caesar dressing. Preparation for this recipe is going to be super easy. You're going to just pop open your Caesar dressing here. We're going to give that a little drizzle over the top of our pasta salad. Pop our lid back on here and give that a nice shake. And there you have it, our apple and Texas celery pasta salad. While we're here, let's take a look at some of the health benefits of this Texas celery. Besides the celery being locally sourced, it has some great benefits to your health as well. This Texas treat is a great source of antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene that help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract. Celery has also been linked to reduced chronic inflammation that causes illnesses like arthritis and osteoporosis, while also supporting healthy digestion. Thanks for trying out this Texas Tuesday recipe featuring our Texas celery, and be on the lookout for our last Texas Tuesday demo featuring delicious Texas cabbage. This recipe, along with other delicious items to fuel up your body and fill up your mind, will be available in your curbside meal bag on Monday the 26th. See you then!